Is your car blowing thick black smoke from the exhaust? It looks bad, smells bad, and it's a clear sign something's wrong. But don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the real causes of black smoke and exactly how to fix each one. Welcome back to All About Mechanizam. Cause number 1, faulty fuel injectors. Dirty or leaking fuel injectors can spray too much fuel into the engine. Result? Black smoke pouring out of your exhaust. Solution? Get your fuel injectors cleaned or replaced by a trusted mechanic. Cause number 2, dirty air filter. If your air filter is clogged, your engine can't breathe properly. More fuel than air equals black smoke disaster. Solution: check your air filter. Replace it if it's dirty or old. Cause number 3, turbocharger failure. If your turbo is leaking oil, it will burn inside the engine, creating thick, nasty black smoke. Solution: inspect the turbo for leaks. Repair or replace if needed. Cause number 4, bad EGR valve. A stuck EGR valve can cause too much exhaust gas to recirculate, leading to incomplete combustion and more black smoke. Solution: get the EGR system cleaned or install a new valve. Cause number 5, wrong fuel or bad quality fuel. Using the wrong type of fuel or low quality fuel can mess up your engine badly, and yes, cause of black smoke too. Solution: always use the high quality and correct fuel grade recommended for your car. Bonus cause: worn piston rings or valve seals. When engine parts wear out, oil sneaks into the combustion chamber and burns, making thick, black, oily smoke. Solution: sadly, this needs a professional mechanic and possibly an engine rebuild. Now you know why your car might be blowing black smoke and exactly what to do about it. Take action before a small problem becomes a big repair bill. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and drop a comment below.